Today we're introducing our residents to the investment that we're making in our properties. So the decision behind this project was to enhance our decarbonisation target as a local authority, and to ensure that properties which are not on the gas network have energy efficient heat alternatives and options available to them. The project itself has involved installations of PV panels and air source heat pumps. The PV panels themselves are contributing towards the running costs of the air source heat pumps, which we are aware are more expensive to run. The PV panels themselves actually enable us to reduce the running costs of the air source heat pumps and make it an equivalent cost to that of a gas boiler. It is absolutely a benefit to both the council and residents. So the council itself benefits, as I said, in respect of its decarbonisation targets. So we want to ensure that we hit net zero by 2030, and as an organisation we're committed to enhancing our properties and ensuring that they are as thermally efficient as possible. So the benefits for residents are that the air source heat pumps are actually supplied via the PV panels that are inserted in the roofs. To be able to increase the EPC rating of properties, we have to upgrade the roofing of these properties, and we also have to install significant levels of insulation in the roof spaces to make them as thermally efficient as possible. And we need to do that obviously to make sure that we are maintaining as much of the heat that we're generating from the air source heat pumps as possible. The air source heat pumps are run from the PV panels on the roof, which are inserted into the roof spaces, into the tiles, and they contribute to the running costs of the heating system in a winter time, and then they divert off and contribute to the cost of the heating of the hot water in the summer months. So this is a pilot project at the moment, but what we're intending to do is invest and look for sites across the whole of the East Riding, areas which are rural in nature and are not currently connected to the gas network. And the intention is that we will utilise the data that we draw from this particular project to then be able to roll out that programme of investment across our entire stock. So people will be able to find more information about this on our website. So they'll be able to go to our website and be able to find out where we invest, how we invest, and how we're committed to reaching our net zero targets, and also how we intend to invest a multi-million-pound investment in our homes over the coming years.
So this is a typical 1930s property. Obviously the thermal efficiencies back in the 30s wasn't as good as it is today. So what we've done here is we've put in all the modern technology to bring the thermal efficiency up to the absolute maximum efficiencies. So new roof, fully insulated with solar panels on the roof. And as you can see behind me here, we have the latest air source heat pumps. And all the modern windows and gadgets inside to bring this house up to, as I said earlier, modern technology. So how does that benefit the residents? Well, what it means is we help prevent heat poverty. So with all the modern technologies, we're off gas now, so the house will run really efficiently, and people can afford to have the heating on as and when required.